Yo, my bad, man. I know it looked like I've been eating powdered donuts all day, but I forgot to put lotion on my hands. You feel me? This is the greatest and the bestest unboxing video ever in the world. Hey man, it's your boy Pleasing, aka Pleasing Reviews, so yeah, anyway, I'm unboxing this Xbox Series S. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? Even Ray Charles can see that, you feel me? But yeah, man, I don't know what to talk about. Bam! Pew! Yes, sir. As you can see, man, that is a white controller. Very white. Very, very white. With little black buttons and a yellow button and a red button and a blue one and a green one. What we all came here for. Take it off real slow, baby. You feel me? Yeah, man. That's the Xbox Series S. 500 gigabytes. Not 1 terabyte. But it's all good, man. I ain't tripping. Say, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Unboxing Xbox Series S with pleasing reviews. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that follow button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel too. Yeah. I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next video.